Hey, this is Michael. Okay, your engine is misfiring. It doesn't matter if it's a 3.8 or a 3.3 with the V6. Okay, what you do is you take that screw off, down one, down one, down one, and down one, and take the ones in the back off. You see this plug right here? This right here? It goes connected to your coil pack. What happens is this wire touches where your muffler's at, you see it? And it burns out inside. And then the wires start touching together, and that's why it starts misfiring. And you might think that it's a vacuum leak. You might think it's your spark plugs. You might think it's your coil pack. But in reality,